Hello, everyone. My name is Kirsten Pfannmuller, and I'm graduating this semester with a Bachelor of Science in Food and Nutrition and a minor in Spanish. Over the past year, I've had the pleasure to do research in the nutrition lab at Montana State University. The larger study that I will reference was a dietary intervention study looking at several different factors. Figure 2 at the top of the center column shows a general overview of the larger study. With this data, I was able to come up with my own research topic. What is the relationship between habitual branched-chain amino acid intake and metabolic health? The three branched-chain amino acids are leucine, isoleucine, and valine. They are unique to all of the other amino acids because they are metabolized differently and more readily available to extrahepatic tissues. This mechanism may improve insulin-resistant states associated with a variety of health problems, including metabolic syndrome. Insulin resistance is an impaired response of the body to insulin, resulting in elevated levels of glucose in the blood. Metabolic syndrome defines a group of risk factors that increase risk for health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. The purpose of this study is to assess potential metabolic effects of habitual branched-chain amino acid intake in humans through the examination of diet history, waist circumference, and fasting insulin values. There were 26 participants in this study. In order to be included, women had to have a waist circumference of over 35 inches and men had to have a waist circumference of over 40 inches. To analyze insulin levels in the body, blood samples were obtained via venipuncture and an insulin-specific high-sensitivity ELISA was used. The insulin levels were plugged into the homeostatic model for insulin resistance, or HOMA-IR for short. Dietary intake was measured by the Dietary History Questionnaire, a food frequency questionnaire designed by the Risk Factor Monitoring and Methods branch. Habitual branched-chain amino acid intake didn't appear to influence insulin resistance. However, this study is limited in that serum branched-chain amino acid levels were not obtained. The data was based solely on dietary intake. As you can see in Figure 4 on the upper right, insulin resistance and waist circumference had a fairly proportional relationship. As waist circumference increases, insulin resistance also increases. This study shows that waist circumference is an important risk factor of metabolic syndrome. This research is funded by the USA Dry Pea and Lentil Council. Thank you.